This is not a very good day to be filming because the wind's blowing like heck. This is November 1st, 2013, and I wanted to share my husband's handiwork with you. This door I just think is quite cool. He used leftovers that he had of 5/8 inch plywood and 5/4 board and 2x6s. So here's the 2x6s here, and then on the inside you can see how he screwed this 5/4 board to the plywood, to the 5/8 inch plywood. So anyhow, this storage tank, it is a 550-gallon storage tank, and we have the rain spout that is going into this to supply our water. So this we'll be able to water through the winter. And my husband's making a racket over here, along with the wind. So anyhow, we have a 50-foot long roof, and we have 12-foot by 50-foot on each side. I can't see because of the sun hitting in my face. But here is where the T is that connects. I'll try to, with one hand here, zoom in, because I have my little notes here in one hand and the camera in the other. But there's the T, and over to the left, so get it back in the picture here, over to the left is where the pipe comes in and attaches to the T from the other side of the roof, and then up here is where it comes in on this side of the roof. So the rain spout. So anyhow, my husband is insulating this area inside here, and then he's going to put probably a 125-watt bulb to help in here to warm it up. Plus, as you can see, he's got the polycarbonate that he had left over. He's not quite finished with this yet, because he's got to put like 6 inches of insulation on top of here, but he's got to take and seal off. See, there's a hole there. You don't want to get insulation down into your water source and clog things up. So he's got to take and seal it, make sure that this insulation doesn't go into the water source. But anyhow, let's see, what have I not covered? Anyhow, he, give me 1 second. So he's going to use this. It's called fiberglass insulation over the top, and then probably, like I say, the 125-watt bulb, and then the metal roof on top. This is the same color of roofing that we have on the greenhouse. If I can get up here, hopefully it's showing. The metal roof, it blends with our garage. So the drain pipe, it is a 4-inch drain pipe that comes down, and I'm just really rambling, and I hope that I've covered enough with this. But he's got like the shut-off valves here. If there's problem, he's got to worry about the overflow. He doesn't want the insulation to get wet, so he's got to deal with that also. So he's not quite done this, but I thought I'd share it with you, what he's done so far. This valve here, this pipe goes down to another water source, and it goes to two 15 100-gallon storage tanks behind the garage, and we have like a total of 8,300 gallons of rainwater. Hopefully the sun going through this polycarbonate on this south side here will help to heat up that area too. And then he does have, we get very little sun on this side, on this east side, but he put the plexiglass in here too. So I think it's a pretty fancy schmancy job myself. I'm quite pleased with it. I think it looks a whole lot better than having a storage tank sitting there.